After I did the hair color from hell, these nasty press-ons have got to go. So today I'm using the OPI xPRESS press-on nails. I have the shade Editor In Chic. So before I could put on my new press-ons, I have to take the old ones off. So I'm using the Kiss Glue Off press-off nail remover. This thing is so easy. All you do is just use the little sides. You're going to get up under the nail and squeeze a little bit of the glue remover out. And then I just let mine sit for a couple minutes. That way I'm not struggling to get it off. And I do this on both hands, obviously. And don't come for me because that's just color that's on my nails. Like, my nails are not dirty, so don't do that. Now they're going to be much easier to literally just pop off. And so after I do that, I'm going to try my best to get that color off of my nails and cut my nails down a little bit before I get ready to start. Shout out to my son for helping me film this and holding the phone for me, even though we were holding it the wrong way, but that's okay. One thing that I really do like about this OPI set is that it comes with the little nail map. So as you size your nails, you can just lay them out so you'll know which finger they go on. And also they come with a little number on the back of them, so that way you'll know like kind of what size you are. So if you typically wear press-on nails and you know what size you're going to be in other nails, it's much easier for you to just go in and pick the ones out that you need out of this set. And then I'm going to use an alcohol pad so I can make sure I dry out the nail, get it really clean, no oils or anything are going to be on my natural nail. And then I'm going to use my filer. I forgot what these are called off the top of my head. And then I'm just going to lightly file off the very first layer, I guess, let's call it that, of the nail, just to like rough it up a little bit. Don't go super rough because then your nails will become sensitive. And then that way the glue will have something better to stick on. That's why most people have an issue, because there's still a lot of oil on the nails and then the glue can't adhere. So now I've put on my new set. I will come back and do a review and a final thoughts on this. I have some other content coming up that's going to go along with this, but I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.